I've been experimenting with Ktor recently, just like for 1 year or so. It started like when I wanted to uh, create my own app and publish it to the Play Store. That is when I published Neofirst, social platform for I don't know who the market is, but like I just wanna release an app, and I don't really have any idea about the what kind of app that I want to sell or publish. So it just came in like social media. Yeah, that sounds cool. And like in practice, we already have all this kind of stuff. Like you have WhatsApp, have Telegram, and hell, people are chatting on Instagram and Threads now. And on the most basic one, people use iMessage maybe, and RCS support is more supported than ever right now. And so I don't know, but for the time I didn't have any idea, so I just released the app. I already released it and patches a few updates just to add to my resume, and then I realized that backend as a service is something that I really don't like in terms of scalability. What if I want to scale my app with 2 active user to, let's say, China? No, sign it with Google might not work there. So what should I do? Make my own backend then. So that's what I'm going to do, making my own backend. But how do I do that? Well, I don't know. I cannot do JavaScript because coding in JavaScript is a pain, really. It's painful, lots of pain. And then I search for something familiar like Java or Kotlin maybe. I look into Spring Boot, but as soon as I get into the code base, it's so opinionated, and I might not transfer all of my knowledge in Android development to there, right? When before the recent version, Kotlin support has been underwhelming, and coroutines in there you have to use their own mechanism for concurrency and reactive stuff. But that fixed recently, but at the time I don't really see any other choices other than going into Ktor. So, and I'm a heavy Kotlin user. So I do Java too, but not as much as I do Kotlin. Every JVM framework should be fine, but see, that's where I'm getting it. I see Ktor as something related to Android development because it is developed by JetBrains, so it will not be so far-fetched off from the paradigm that we use on Android development, right? We got everything there, everything that we needed. So, yeah, I'm going into Ktor now, man. And there's that. Let me just start this series by if you are a mobile developer like me, and you don't have any other skill in other stuff other than mobile development like me, and you don't want to use JavaScript like me, then this is for you. Yeah.